Hello everyone, my name is Harshul Agarwal and today I'm going to present my project. So my project title is Romayu 6. Romayu 6 meaning is robot of multiple abilities up to 6. So 6 types of abilities this robot is having. The first one is the robot car, which is there, and the second one is the solar charger. So it is working with the solar panel. When the sunlight will fall upon it, it will charge the mobile phone. And the third one is this is a wireless charger. So okay, by the help of the voltage from the battery, 9-volt battery, it will show the wireless charger. And the third, fourth, fifth and sixth, the last all three are involved in this. This is having emergency light. Second is the distance calculator. The third one is head rotation, and the fourth one is voice recorder module. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you one by one. It's practical. Okay, so firstly I will show the wireless chargers. Okay, let me just put it aside. Just give me 1 minute. So guys, this is the circuit, and now when I will switch on, and here is a 9-volt battery, it will show wireless charging. If wireless charging is working, this LED bulb which is of red color will glow. Okay, so I am just switching on the power supply. So I switch on the power supply. Now 9-volt voltage is going inside. Let's just see. See, you can this light is glowing up. See, when I'm just doing it far, it's not glowing. When I'm just taking it nearer, it is glowing with this high capacity. Okay, see this. Fast forward. Okay, so let's now I will show the second one. Okay, so now I will show my robot car. That robot car can't rotate it here. I will put it down. So this is my second one. This is the robot car, and I have attached a mop. You can see the cleaning mop, and I have also put a copper wire here so that this mop, this bristles could not get out. Okay, so when I will just put this car on the floor and just switch on the power supply. So I have used basically 3.7 volt power supply. So I use 2 cells which total is 7.5 volt. When I will just switch it on, this car will move, and these are 2 IR sensors. So basically when my hand will come nearer to these lights, this is the photodiode, and what will happen in this car, rotation of tire will be there. Like these 2 tires will be rotate according to my hand gesture. Okay, so and this circuit is basically the showing of the charge indicator. So when I just switch on the charge indicator, you can see all 4 lights are glowing. This shows both batteries are fully charged. This is showing up charge indicator circuit. Okay, so when I just switch it off and switch it on, this what will happen? This you can see. When I just put my hand, this tire are rotating, and when I just put my hand here, see, this tire is rotating. So it's basically like this. See, it's a kind of catching up my hand gestures and it moving accordingly. Okay, and when I just switch it on this also, so it will take the motion according to it. Okay, so now let's move on to the third project. Comes the main robot. So as I said earlier, here are 4 components involved. So one by one I will show you all together. Okay, so this is the USB cable. Like I can show it from inside. Wait a minute. See, you can see there is an Arduino attached with the breadboard, and this is the I2C which is attached with this LED, like for the distance calculator, and this is the servo motor by which a ultrasonic sensor is attached, and their wire are just attached inside. And there is you can see on the breadboard there is one register attached, that is attached for this voice recorder module, by which when I will record my voice it will repeat. So okay, I will just give the power supply, and let's see what its result is. And you can see all in the down steps we have also attached some lines. You can see the metal lines are being attached to make it a balance. See, now it's able to stand. So I am attaching a OTG so that it could get be attached with the mobile. You can also take the power supply from the laptop as well or from the direct, but I am taking from the mobile phone. So when I will just attach this OTG and I will attach my mobile phone, like see, I have plugged it here and I will put it here and see the rotation has been started. And when I will just plug, see the you can see this light here is glowing and the head is rotating. Actually there is a issue with this tape is like, wait a minute, and when I will just switch it on, this emergency light will glow. That I will show at the last. I will switch off all the lights, then you will be able to show its glow. And I am just showing you the voice recorder module. Now firstly I will attach the speaker. Here is my speaker and it's fully charged, and I will just switch it on and attach an aux cable, and let's see my voice is able to repeat or not. So this one is the aux cable. So I am attaching it. Just give me 1 minute. I am just attaching it and I have attached here. I have attached the audio jack. Oh sorry, this is the wrong one. Here. See, it's plugged in, and now I will just plug it with the speaker. See, I will just switch it on and its sound will come.
Bluetooth mode.
And I have attached
Audio input.
Okay, now I will just speak something and it will repeat. Let's see. So here you can see there are buttons: recorder, enable and long. So when I will press the record button, it will record, and when I will press play E on a single press, it will repeat my voice, and play L means when I will press this, the voice will be implemented from this speaker till up the time I just put my finger off from this button. Okay. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I am pressing the record button. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Hello, and I will just press single time. Hello, mic check 1 2 3. Hello, and I will show it again. Hello, my name is Harshul Agarwal. Hello, my name is Harshul Agarwal. See, when I just press play L, so it will repeat my voice up till I press this button like this. Okay. Hello, my name is Harshul Agarwal. Hello, my name is Harshul Agarwal. So by this you can able to hear the voice. Now I will show the emergency light. For that I need to switch it off. Okay, so I am just switching off all the lights, and then you will be able to show. See, I have just switched off all the lights, and now I will just switch it on, and you can see. Just give me 1 minute. See, you can see the lights. All the lights are getting glowed. Actually, it's not glowing. See, now you might be able to see complete glow. Like it's the battery is charged very less. That's why its glow is quite less. Otherwise, it might glow very much. Okay. Okay, so this was my project, and the last part I just want to show is the solar charger. So now here comes my solar charger, and I have simply attached a small DC step down power charger module, and I will just simply plug my normal charger USB cable here, and then I will plug it with the phone, and charging will take place. So let's test it. I will test it as I have at the solar panel, so I will test it with the both method. Firstly the sunlight, and the second is with the light. So I will firstly test with the light, then I will test with it sunlight too. So I will bring my lamp. So here my lamp, the battery which I have attached with the solar charger was not working very well. So that's why I have attached the robot car battery. Simply I have just soldered it here. So I will attach the charger again, USB cable of the charger, so that I will be able to see whether it is charging perfectly or not. So I am putting my solar lamp in the light of the lamp. And now I will just attach my charger. So just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I am just attaching it with the here, and the charging will be visible on the phone. So I have just put it in the direction to the lamp. Yeah, perfectly fine. Okay, and see, the charger is working quite very well. So now I will test it with the sunlight too. Okay, so now I will test it with the sunlight too. So I have kept my charger in the sunlight, and now I will simply attaching my charger here again, and let's see it's working well or not. Okay, so here I plugged in, and yes, it's working very well, as you can see. Okay, so now let's check the voltage from the ammeter. I just want to check how much voltage is coming. So I will just simply put my probes so that I could able to know how much voltage is coming. So let me just see. Just give me 1 minute. And see, you can see 5.1 volt is coming. So this proves like almost 5.18 volt are there. So 5.1 volt are getting to my phone. Okay, so I am also testing my solar panel with the lamp light. So I will just put my probes here. I have kept my solar panel in the panel to the lamp, and I am just putting my probes, and see, you can see 5.0 volts are coming. So it is working well with the lamp light too. So that's it from my side, and thank you.